Why does your expensive streaming device still buffer like a slideshow when watching HD movies? Is it due to slow internet or low-end hardware? Actually, the real culprit is your outdated and bloated media player. Today, I'll be testing a game changer for a media player poised to become a legend in 2026. Hot Player. Its cutting-edge hardware decoding technology and cinematic UI will completely revolutionize your expectations of large-screen audio-visual entertainment. Want to experience this unparalleled smoothness firsthand? It's incredibly simple. Just open the downloader on your device, enter our exclusive installation code 395800, and a lightweight installation will be completed in seconds. The moment you launch the application, its futuristic and modern configuration interface will immediately catch your eye. Easily integrate your personal streaming media setup here, instantly completing local deployment. The main interface, with its clear module divisions and silky smooth dynamic responses, will absolutely redefine your understanding of streaming media. Whether it's lightning-fast parsing of a vast media library or hardware decoding and streaming of high bitrate 4K video, it achieves zero latency switching and precise targeting, completely eliminating stuttering. If you're preparing to build a top-of-the-line home digital entertainment center, Hot Player is an indispensable tool. If you encounter any network connection or parameter tuning questions during setup and configuration, feel free to contact us through the description section or the link in the pinned comment. I will provide you with the most professional one-on-one technical guidance. If you enjoyed today's high-quality content, remember to like and subscribe to Firestick Secrets. Next time, we'll unlock more amazing device optimization and advanced streaming technologies.